I want to do a pencil drawing of this picture, but here's the thing, it has a wide range of dark to light values. So I've got my pencil selected, and for the colour, with the Learn to Draw in the Digital Age course and the Drippy Cat Art Studio, you do get a series of colours from various different pencils which gives you the darkest tone that you can get. And for this I'm going to use soft pencil. And if I draw like this, start light, come darker and darker and darker and darker, that is the darkest tone I've got. And that is fine, but watch this. This is a very common mistake that people make. They try and get the darkest value of the pencil to be as dark as the darkest tone in the picture. And if I do this, look, just drawing over the top, let's take a look here. The dark of that roof is clearly darker than the darkest tone I can get, which is why you sometimes see pencil drawings with the darkest areas scrubbed in because the person who did the picture is trying to create a dark tone that they've seen, which a pencil simply can't do. So if you want to prep this picture to help you figure out the tonal values, try this. Make sure the layer is selected. Then come to Adjustments, Gradient Map. You will get some kind of a gradient, but we're going to create our own. Come to the plus sign. You get a gradient, dark to light or black to white. Where I'm circling, tap there. And in my case, I'm going to come to the palettes and I'm going to choose that soft pencil color, which I'm circling. Tap on that. So now I have a black and white image where the darkest tone of the image is the darkest tone of my pencils. This will help me a lot when it comes to judging the values in my final drawing. But try this. I'm going to come down to the gradient bar. I'm going to tap there and that creates a circle on that gradient. And I can move that circle around to alter the dark to light balance. Like with that, if I was to try and draw that, it might look dramatic, but by the end my wrist is going to ache from putting down so many pencil marks. But if I slide more towards here, I'm getting a more washed out effect, but that's going to be useful for me and my style of drawing, where I've got the detail on the walls, on the cobbled streets, but it's not quite so oppressive as that. So I think that would be a good candidate for my pencil drawing. If you can like and subscribe, that would do me a huge favour. Also check out the top rated tutorials plus a complete art studio in a box in the links below.